Hey everybody, hope you're doing really well at home. We're going to do another song today and we're going to do more music with Carrie. This is called the clap clap sound. So what you have to do is clap your hands at the right part of the music. And you can hear when you should clap because the instrument makes the sound of when you should clap as well. So it's a really good kind of folk song and dance that we can do together. So we're going to clap. We're going to lift our hands up in the air and we're going to also walk as well. So we're going to walk in and walk out, clap our hands, we're going to spin around, we're going to do some actions, but you must always listen out for when you clap your hands. Will we give it a go? Okay, let's do it. You ready? Get your hands ready? Again. Walk in with your hands up. 1, 2, 3, 4. And back. 1, 2, 3, 4. In. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back. 2, 3, 4. Ready to spin? Hands up and hands down. Spin. Hands up, hands down. Spin. In again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and out. Well done, everybody. Were you able to clap at the same time that you could hear the instrument play? Were you able to do all the movements that I did? So we walked in, we walked out, we spun around, put our hands up high and our hands down low. Why don't you try this song at home, and instead of doing my movements where we walk in with our hands and out, why don't you try some of your own movements and see how you get on. You can also use a piece of paper with this song that many kids do. Let me show you what that looks like. So to amplify and make the sound of your clap bigger, you can get a blank piece of paper, hold it in your hands, and when you clap, it has a really nice echo to it. So why don't you try doing it with a piece of paper and record it and send it back into us. We would love to hear how the sounds work together. See you soon. Bye.